return. Square up your hips some. And you stretch. And return because you're really tight. One more and stretch. And return. Take this leg off. We switch.
Is that okay to stand on toes?
Yeah. Yeah. So it depends on height. So yeah. We just start by hinging forward. So hands stay here. You gotta do the forward and stretch. And return. Just try to keep the thigh bone straight. And forward. And return. Keep this leg straight. There we go. Last one. And return. Pop this leg back some. Good. Reach for the bar. And then stretch. Straighten out this leg more. Yes. And return. And then you straighten out and you stretch. And return. One more and you stretch.